amazing food piers. It's located towards the north of Miami. It's a good city and very relaxing place. So this place is very nice inside the Florida Atlantic University Harbor Branch campus. I used to study over here. So this is a nice little beach, and you can see here some research for marine mammals and excellent environment. I will show you the beach once again. So if you observe, the entry would be like this. It's Blue Water Lagoon. So it's the name of this water lagoon is Indian River Lagoon. It's Indian River Lagoon, and also if you see, there is a very nice walkway towards the, you can say, or whatever you say, the jungle. And this is a very good fishing channel entering to the Florida Atlantic University Harbor Branch campus. So we used to come here to look the manatees. You also can fish, see fish, a lot of fish you can see, and also a very good place I recommend to come and see here, a dolphin. You can see a lot of dolphin over here.